Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ryan of h2h&h. And this is your 5 minutes tutorial. Today, I will show you how to cut an object using pen tools. Okay. Let's start. First, open your Photoshop. Second, choose picture you want to cut. Remove the lock at your photo. Click zoom to enlarge your image view. It helps you see more pictures details to cut. Then look for pen tool at left sidebar of Photoshop. Select the part of the image where you want to cut. Then start tracing by clicking pen. You can use Ctrl+Z to undo your wrong path. Or use pen tool with minus sign. After closing the path, zoom out for best view. Then click path. Click the trace sign below. Click back to the layer. Hit Ctrl+J in your keyboard to create a copy of image. Then click the original image and delete or just hide by clicking the eye icon. Let's try to add your cut swan wings to polar bear. Hope you enjoy the basic and simple tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below.